has this ever happened to you? Well then, do I have the product for you? Introducing the Gnarly Nephite White Noise. Ding! Logo and stuff. Now you're probably wondering, what makes this so special? Shoot, what does... Oh, I remember. See, this doesn't just play your typical beautiful piano Mozart music, or, you know, that one sound that's like... Like, seriously, you go to sleep with that? No. This has a ton of awesome different selections, like night noise. One ring to rule them all. Narnia! Fight noise. Oh, hey, I like this one. Isn't that the... I've heard this before. Oh wait, isn't this the theme song for that one guy? Like, ow! What the freak? Ow! Who's doing that? Ow! I can't see you! Anyway, the next one is flight noise. Why does this work? It says it's on. It's at full volume. Hold on, let me put on my earmuffs. Earmuffs. These headphones, obviously. Maybe this will help me hear better. I still don't hear anything.
This is your captain speaking.
Next is bite noise.
Ouch! Ouch! You ouch, Charlie! Ouch!
Okay, I can make it through this. Okay. The next one is ite noise. Is that even a word? Ite? Must be the thing the kids say these days. Well, let's see what it is. Ooh, this is pretty ite. Ooh. Oh, right. All right. Like, see, not all these are that dangerous. This one's just called knife noise. Let's see. Anyway, the next one is called... Oh, well, that's kind of uncreative. It just says white noise. Might as well see what it is.
Jesse, I need you.
Who are you?
I'm the one who knocks.
Well, I don't care what you knock. Dude, get out of my house.
But I am.
You're intruding.
I am the danger.
Get out of my house, man.
Well, I did it for me. I was good at it.
Oh, my thumb was covering it. It actually says Walter White noise. Okay, that's clever. Oh, wait, there's more. It says to get full effect, just press this over and over again. Okay. And finally, wife noise.
Buy me more jewelry.
Okay, that's kind of funny. That's a funny little callback. Oh, hi, honey. I was just How did you get that? So order today, and you too can be a proud owner of this product. And yeah, that's pretty much all of them. And oh, there's one more. I thought I only had that many. It's called Black Noise.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to